Okay everyone, the canoe rack is finished and we just got back from 3 days in northern Maine camping. It was a great trip and the canoe rack worked just fine. It was about 3.5 hour drive each way, and it worked out great. I did make a couple of alterations after I built the rack just because we decided to also pick up a kayak, which you can see on the truck there. So let me show you the finished product and the alterations that I did make. The main alteration that I made was right up here. I added that board across the top to make it a little wider and easier to also have the kayak up there. And right there, I installed an angle brace. It's just an L bracket. I think it's 3 inches by 3 inches. And then I just taped some rubber around it so it didn't scratch up the canoe or kayak. Did that on all 4 corners. I've got these eye bolts for tying it down to the truck and for tying the canoe and kayak. That piece in the middle I added is simply for carrying it. It's right at the balance point, so I can put my shoulders right under that and I can walk with this rack. The rack is actually working out fantastic. I did add, let's see if we can see this. I did add those little dogs right there for the canoe, one in the front and one in the back. And that was just to give it some additional support so it doesn't go left or right or forward or backwards. And you can see that I tie the canoe forward and back and over the top twice. And the kayak, it's a lot lighter. I just got bungee in the front and a bungee in the back and then a couple straps over the top. So that's what it looks like in the truck. I think it took me 2.5 hours to build it, and then I probably spent another hour making the alterations. And you can see over here on the front, that narrow piece, I did that because the bed liner right there is at an angle in there. I couldn't just drop the corner post straight down to the truck because I didn't want to cut holes in the bed liner. So it's very sturdy and it fits really tight in the truck. When I close the tailgate, it fits really tight.